Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike offline. First, ensure your game is installed and updated. You can launch the game directly from your desktop or game library. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu. From there, you will find an option to play offline with bots. This allows you to enjoy the full game experience without needing an active internet connection. It's a great way. After selecting Play Offline with Bots, you'll need to configure your match. You can choose from various game modes like Casual, Deathmatch, or even Arms Race. Next, pick your desired map. There are dozens of official maps available. Finally, customize the bot settings. You can add up to 10 bots and set their difficulty from easy to expert, tailoring the challenge to your skill level. Effective practice is key to mastering any piano piece, and Wii Sports music is no exception. Start by practicing slowly, focusing on accuracy rather than speed. Break down the music into small, manageable sections, perhaps just a few measures at a time. Use a metronome to develop a consistent rhythm and tempo. Gradually increase the speed as your confidence grows. Regular, short practice sessions, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes daily, are more effective than one long session. Playing Counter-Strike offline offers numerous benefits. It's an excellent environment to practice your aim and movement mechanics without the pressure of online competition. You can thoroughly learn map layouts, discover strategic positions, and memorize important callouts. Furthermore, it allows you to experiment with various weapons and develop new strategies at your own pace. This focused practice can significantly improve your skills for online matches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.